Most people feel anxious about money even when they're doing everything they were told to do. You work hard, save a little, and wait for the right time to invest, hoping next year will feel safer. But deep down, there's always this quiet fear that you're falling behind. We're taught to chase perfect timing, quick wins, or secret tricks that promise instant success. But no one teaches us how money actually behaves or how our emotions quietly control every financial decision we make. Here's the real danger: doing nothing feels safe, but it's quietly expensive. Inflation slowly eats away your savings while time keeps moving forward. And the biggest loss isn't money at all, it's the years you never get back. What if the reason you're still struggling financially has nothing to do with how much you earn? Hey, I'm Ethan, and this is Ethan's Money Library, where we build wealth one book at a time. Today, we're breaking down Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a book that challenges the beliefs keeping hardworking people stuck, so stay with me until the end. Most people are taught to work hard for money, get a paycheck, and repeat this cycle for decades. The problem is, when your job stops, your income stops too. This is what I call the paycheck trap. If you make $60,000 a year but never learn how money works, your income depends entirely on your time. Miss a day of work and you feel the panic immediately. Wealthy people learn skills that make money move without them pushing it every day. Many people chase raises, promotions, and titles, thinking that's security. But it's like going to the gym once a year and expecting ABS. It doesn't work. Real freedom comes from learning financial skills that pay you even when you rest. Most people believe their house is their biggest asset because it feels safe and familiar, but comfort can be deceptive, especially when emotions replace financial logic. Just because something feels secure doesn't mean it's building your wealth. Here's the simple math most people ignore. If money leaves your pocket every single month instead of coming in, it's not an asset, it's a cost. True assets pay you even when you're asleep. Lifestyle upgrades often feel like progress, but they can quietly trap you. Wealth isn't about what looks impressive, it's about control, predictability, and fewer financial surprises. As Morgan Housel said, wealth is what you don't see. Most people think avoiding mistakes keeps them safe. But in money, fear doesn't protect you, it freezes you. This is the trap of playing not to lose. Waiting feels smart, but time is never on your side. Waiting 10 years to start investing can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars in lost growth. Fear quietly steals your future returns. There is no perfect moment to start. Confidence comes from action, not certainty. As Mark Zuckerberg said, the biggest risk is not taking any risk. Most people don't realize this trap because it looks like success. As income rises, spending rises even faster, and suddenly you look rich but feel trapped. This is the difference between looking wealthy and actually being free. Lifestyle inflation quietly steals your future. That $5 coffee every day feels small, but it becomes over $1,800 a year with nothing to show for it. Small habits repeated daily decide whether money controls you or works for you. Real freedom isn't flashy, it's calm. Many people reward themselves straight into debt, buying things they don't need with money they don't have. It's like filling a bucket with holes. No matter how much you earn, it never stays. Let's recap. Work to learn, not just to earn. Real wealth comes from understanding what truly puts money in your pocket, not just chasing a paycheck. Don't let fear steal your time, and don't trade freedom for appearances. Remember, wealth doesn't start with how much you make, it starts with how you think. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this message. Tell me in the comments which trap felt the most real for you, and what money belief are you rethinking today? This is Ethan's Money Library, building wealth, one book at a time. Remember, small mindset shifts today can change your entire financial future tomorrow.